Hi friends, good afternoon. Myself Badrinarayan from Mangalore Zone, KK Circle. It's my pleasure to speak about speed with Airtel data. We are gaining revenue month on month on data part. It's purely because of the speed. Customers are not much worried about the cost. Instead, they look into the clarity, speed and quality. At Airtel, we all have those things which has made us to stand in #1 position today. The continuous concentration helping us to grow more. 15% growth is expected from company on data, and we have reached on maintaining it month on month. This shows the passion towards working for One Airtel. I am happy to be a part of Airtel. Thank you.